So, hey guys, it's me, Charlotte, and yesterday I made a video about how to make this slime, the ultimate fluffy slime, and that is still uploading, so when this video comes out, it'll probably be uploaded, but, yeah. So, I made this really fluffy slime yesterday, and it's very satisfying, and it's called the Baby Blue Fluffy Slime, I call it. See, it's very fluffy. Here, now I'm going to swirl it so you guys can see it. Swirl the slime, yeah. And if you don't know how to swirl slime, you can go to my tips and tricks with slime video. And you will learn some cool things to do with slime there. So you should really check out my other videos. So yeah. So here you go, and my swirl is going to turn out terrible. Actually, didn't really. That's my swirl. That's the baby blue slime I made. So yeah, there it is. It's very squishy, like, whoa. And it's not sticky at all. It's just the best thing in the world. So you ready? Alright, so that's my baby blue slime. Now let's get on to other ones. This one is not really a lot of slime, but it's slime still. This one is like a really stretchy one. This one was a mixture of two of my slimes actually. Oh, three of my slimes I think. So, yeah, and it came out to be like this lavendery shade. Like, it's really cool though. It was very, I think I can make a swirl out of this. This is gonna be funny. I really hope it doesn't break. Okay, ready? I did it! Look! So that's the mixture slimes. I don't know what to name this slime. It's like purpley-ish, I think. So, yeah, comment down below what I should name this slime. Right here, this is the slime. It's like purpley-ish, kind of. So, yeah, so that's my second slime. Now I need to get out my first slime I made. Whoa. Okay. So this is the first slime I ever made. And this is like a mint slime, kinda. And it's like very stretchy. When I first made this slime, it was really like gooey, like really gooey. And it would go everywhere. But then like when I made my second slime, I still had borax left. So I just put borax in it and now it's like really better. A lot better. So this is it. That's my mint. That's the mint. This is called the mint whipped cream, as my friend said it. Yeah. So yeah, this is mint whipped cream. Whoa. And this one's very satisfying. It's very squishy. Alright. Now for my last slime. This is, whoa. This is my very, like, I don't know what I call this, like, it's just very fun, and, like, it's so soft. Alright, so ready? It's very satisfying, too. And this one kind of sticks to your hand. Oh, no, it's not. So. This one is the most satisfying. Whoa. This one, like, I can do anything with, see? So now I'm going to swirl it. And this slime too was very stretchy and gooey. And then I just put borax and it was fine. So yeah. And if you don't know, go to my tips and tricks for some cool things you can do with slime. So yeah, so here we go. I'm just gonna swirl it all up. That sounds weird. So that's my swirl. This is my lavender slime. So please subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed. And yeah, when we get to 5 subscribers, I'm going to be doing the lemon challenge. If you don't know what that is, it's when I get like lemon juice and I drink it, and it's really bad. It's really bad. Really bad. So if this video get to 5 likes, that would be amazing. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. See you next time on my next video.